asokubwatie mirubiri yonsi yeritko ria rero ime ya Ndizi TV cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba kinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia eri onkumanye munanara yana kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwenge nyora sense moya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube batonyara wetra Ndizi TV News na sumutandao Twitter na bagotwitwetra @Ndizi TV News eri otogendere gusanga na boigo kwemanya mange ngana intwego ika omwerio Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yobenge ni gotuko ya chakase enchera ya bene korwase county ya Kisii awase aborokiwa bechskuru au na begochi university bagendrete gosomigwa amange umuroberi ogendrete korawa nekiumbe kemo kimanyekante na top talent agency korwase ya America ekyo kigendrete ne taro yabo ase orogonko ruagusi nigo bagendrete korwa obosemia bwebinto au gati yabo kurwania segi chegenga gose gender based violence asebo igo bagendrete kubwatuko bokonyi go cyase egati yechskuru bwatani abo nigo batarere skuru y'abanyaruka ya kereri yo tokamye mu cyobosongo aseba bwatoka amaigero nabo igo boseme na gosegeta abanyaruka abo kubekomokia ase amasomabo asobuya bwamatukari bosyo.
This is my third visit. This is my third personal visit here to Kenya, speaking to universities, secondary schools, primary schools to connect with the students and address any issues and things that they want to have an American entrepreneur business owner here. So we're able to understand and be able to fulfill on whatever kind of needs that they need. We brought with us business owners from America and Canada on this trip. We've now brought a total of over 30 entrepreneurs and business owners here to Kenya to connect with the students, to offer mentorship programs, and find any way we can to support the citizens here of Kenya.
Some of the students have concerns about job opportunities. Some of them have concerns about what we would call mental health issues. And we're here to give them hope and encouragement, and not just ways to find jobs or employment, but also ways to start their own businesses. Everyone we bring here are business owners. In some cases they own multiple businesses, and they will offer mentorship, sometimes apprenticeship, or even interns or internship. These are ways that even when we leave, we can continue to support the girls and support the students here in Kenya, especially here at Kareri.
Togotikana nayo nigo mawaziri bwoborerania na boigo obotumeki bwekerero eludo walo abairega koenekia buna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nebegete omokia asogosira magendro yechingencho au na boiga chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya ero koenekia buna Kenya yabereke gosuka mutwe okwana imeye county ya Siaya ejinga kichiokorwa obosemia ocyase abasibati abo bare ase ebyombe au owalo amona baraiba wekiranase umusangirikano yo nigo baboririe abasibati wena kya munango esokya bare na kwerikia asebyombe ebyo birabakonye asogosirana ensemo ya magendro egatie miroberio endemenke.
These women as business women of all shades from Siaya County, and we have made sure that this number of women here is representative of the business women in each and every constituency in Siaya County up to the world level. We have brought here technical officers to guide you so that you get to know the opportunities which are available for purposes of empowerment under the Kenya Kwanza government bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
The good thing about working in a group is that when you work together, you go far because you are accountable for each other. The second thing that you need to know is that there are some parts of this country where if you visit and see what these monies have done, utajishuku sana. I recently went to Kajiado and we met a group of women who borrowed through Osero Fund, which I'm going to tell you about. They borrowed 50,000 shillings. Today, that group of women, to buy goats, they bought goats. That group of women is exporting 1,000 goats every month to Dubai. Wow. Can you believe that? And in that group of women, hakuna mtu amesoma past class 3.
Emeroberio yobwagachi bwechipara imeye county ya Kericho nigo egendrete anine chipara chikogenda asegetiye chindege ya Kerenga gukwana chingaki chokoenekia gusecho korotota obwagachi bwechipara echo nabo igo egetiye kyo nigo mwaziri ebwobosombi Kipchumba Murkomen abereka gotebara nigo bagucheko bwatrana asokoenekia buna obwagachi obwo bwabere bugwikiranwa negetambukiro kyaberege kwewa okoboko n'umugavana bwe county ya Kericho Eric Mutai oyotaire nigo bawuche kubeka emerobero yonsi munabara ikurwase county ya Kericho ogosona na konde wonsi gotayo kwage siasa erekwene kyabuna emerobero yo yabeire kegwikirana anechingaki amariganyo yomuyega omashuja oyokagero korekana omutinyo gocha agendrete kwariganiwa asomuyego yomoneno urakorekane imeye county yo ya Kericho.
Hii airport kwa sababu Kericho is a high altitude area ndio ifanye kazi, lazima tusongeshe. Saa hizi yenye tunatengeneza saa hizi hii airstrip yenye iko hapa ni 1.2 kilometers. Lakini nia yetu ni kuhakikisha huyu contractor asitoke hapa na tusukume ifike 2 kilometers. Ikifika 2 kilometers itakuwa refu kuliko Wilson Airport. Na hiyo ndio itasaidia kubeba watu kwa sababu hii ni high altitude, you need a longer runway.
But on this matter of the airport, I'm telling Ekatera not to interfere. I know for a fact that you forced us when you're having Kimugu to pay 10 million for Kimugu water project, the farm.
Oh, 10 million per acre.
10 million per acre. On this one, I'm giving you my word as the governor of this Kericho. We are not going to pay even one coin, and are not going to spend even a shilling on taxpayers' money.
Nengana yo komentwa kweri goriria maftani gegendrete koreta umunso na boigo ebirengerero kurwase gatia barai na boigo abananchi nige gatia barai kurwase county ya Busia babere bakuyikeria engane na otana nigo erachi koreta owa kokonene asemirobero au ya magendero imeyense ya Kenya nigo boigo batere na enentunde ntanga kegima ari goriria mafta komenda sekerengo keigoro mono eyere mamincha nechira echo cyabete chiko Yewa ase abananchi chingaki church campaign engana baganirie ebege kurigereriwa eri abakenya babe bakororoberiwa ubugima.
Hali imekuwa ngumu, watoto shule school fees ndio hiyo imeenda juu, transport, kila kitu, production level pale kwa industry kama mafuta imeenda juu inamaanisha kila kitu hata production itaenda juu. By the time product inakuwa tayari, product yenyewe pia itakuwa ghali kwa sababu lazima ilipe. Na tena mtu aongezee profit.
Hii serikali ilituahidi ya kwamba ikiingia mara moja bei ya mafuta yatashuka, lakini walipandisha ushuru kwa mafuta katika hiyo financial bill. This is the first time in the history of this country ambapo bei ya mafuta imeanza kiwango hicho.
Nomo seneta we county ya Nandi Alfred Keter nigo agikerio komenta kwa maguri ebintu imeyense ya Kenya asa tayiro na nigo ke gosenigo getamkirekyo kirach koreta omuchando munene ase abakenya Keter niga tayiro na abakenya bokonyora wainse na bumono barach gochandika asa mochirie serikali ya bono nobo koreri bwaye ekerekorengani wa ne serikali ya eta inse yoburai bwaye Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
What you mentioned about delocalization is bothering many teachers. And it will be worse because the fuel has been increased and the cost of transport will be crazy that no teacher will afford. The cost of living is on another level. You stood on a platform of bottom up. Kusaidia wale wanyonge, alafu uende juu. Lakini sasa hizi mmesahau, mkiongeza fuel mnatesa wale wa chini zaidi kushinda wale wa mbele. The school fees has been increased. The cost of living is on another level. And you spoke on the same basis. Mlisema yule rais ambaye alitoka hapo anajua kuongoza, hata mimi nikakubali. Lakini nyinyi you have made it worse than Uhuru Kenyatta.
N'abaremia bagokora oboremia bokoboke inse ye kiumbe kimanyikanite buna Kenya Peace and League korwase county ya Migori nigo bachiramo na kumochia serikali asugukinia ebango ase binto ao nabo igokomenta amagori y'ebinto buna rigori lya mafuta asekeria batebire buna nigo rigoturubania emerobero yabo nigo baruro okoboria engana iyo komento mafuta kurigereriwa eriogokeria abaremia gurube asekeria batebire buna tibaroche gosemba chigokonyeka ase amatukari bosyo asogokinya ebirengo by'oburimi.
Of fuel prices affect our activities because one, farmers have to move from one place to another and they have to transport their farm produce from the farm to the market. So when the fuel prices are increased, automatically everything will have to increase. So we are demanding or requesting the government to revisit the take of increase in the fuel prices.
Hapa leo tumekusanyika hapa leo kutoa ghadhabu yetu sana kwa serikali jinsi ambavyo inaendesha mambo yake na jinsi ambavyo wanaongeza tax kwa wakulima, na tunapata kuwa mkulima ile 3% ambaye alikuwa anafaa kutoa sasa imeongezeka na pia umeongeza ushuru pia wa mafuta. So kwa mkulima mdogo hii ni kama tax mara mbili. So ghadhabu yetu ni kuwa ni vipi ambavyo sisi wakulima wadogo tutaweza kunufaika kwa mapato, na tunajua kuwa chakula ndio uhai.
On the issue of tax, you know, as youths, we are small scale farmers. How do we expect us as young youths who are still hustling, maybe to transport our products from the farm to the market when the fuel price is very high?
Okungusana na kwa mangana yendemero na baigotse nigo chiabere chikoene kiwa ase orubebe rue county ya Tharaka Nithi na baigo county ya Meru uko kwa ireire abange babo gusaria enibo yabo na baigo abange kunganya kurwase Chinsa mecho nikini okerero mugavana we county ya Tharaka Nithi ko boria serikali kwene kiabuna ngubwatukere chi title deeds gochase abamenyi be Chinsa mecho eriogo kea Chisegi na gukora omuchando yo ase ensemeyo nigo boigaberega kuboria serikali kwene kibunango bekere miroberio emekirano yo kwenekia una title deed chungo bwatukwachire ase chinchera chibwenerte asateire na omorembe norobaganitie ase county ya Meru na baigo county ya Tharaka Nithi.
Tunaomba wafanye haki. Sheria inasema kama mtu amekaa kwa shamba kupita miaka 5, hiyo shamba ni ya mwenyewe. Wale watu najua hapa wamekaa kwa hizo mashamba hata kupita saa nyingine miaka 20, wengine miaka 20, mwingine miaka 15, wengine 10. Tunaomba serikali ifanye ima ikompensate wale ambao walikuwa na ile title ya hewa kwa sababu walilipa wale waliwauzia, alafu wale wako chini ambao wamekalia mashamba wapewe title zao, ndio tuache kuongea mambo ya mipaka. We have peace in Meru and Tharaka Nithi County once and
nekero yarro kanire buna abana banyaruka ase chiskuru ao nigo bawetera chingo ngwansa masomo abo anene chinga kibare ase amatuko abo niga bwatari abakwegerera obochenu bw'abanyaruka baruro kuboria serikali kobeka omurobero bwosira obochenu bw'abanyaruka ase emirobero ya masomo ase chiskuru nigo batere buna inchere yone chigokonya gukoro muchando buna ogochecherwa kwa banyaruka abo erioko bachinga kinyororo chokwe gendereria na masomabo ase chiskuru okwana ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Thiru imeye county ya Laikipia achinga kibarenge gosemia abanyaruka nabo igoko bwatoka ebitamba byobochenu omo director w'ekiombe kia Pada Princess Initiative Nance Mumbi nigaganirie serikali komente ebitamba byobochenu ase amaganyo y'abaroki wachinga kibako bwatoka amaganyande buna ebitabu byogosoma.
Where it has reached for the girl child, for us it looks like a menace because most of our girls are missing classes because of lack of sanitary pads. Some of them are missing classes because of infections due to lack of information on how to maintain the menstruation health. And that is why we are in this school, Thiru Secondary School in Marmanet, to make sure that we give the right information to the girls.
Government should come up and, as Nancy said, it should be part of the education system so that the children can be able, the girls can be able to learn about it, because I think most of them, they lack the information.
Sababu sisi kama walimu darasa tunakuwa na changamoto nyingi kuona wasichana wetu wanashindwa kusoma, hasa kuconcentrate vizuri kwa masomo, hasa wakati wanajipata kuna menstrual period. Kwa hivyo sisi tunaomba serikali ingilie pia kati, kujaribu pia kuingilia hii mambo ya provide sanitary pads kwa wasichana, ili tujipate kwamba hakuna msichana ambaye atakosa kuja shule kwa sababu amekosa sanitary pad.
Mwancho murigari bana inega tiari na kwariganiretia SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ereyo bwenge kurenda ya munayanda mange ntogenderete ko kwariganiria ayuraje kumera na nere Josephat Amisi iri akumanya senchira yo wekera nuge koragese ya mona boigo Chinsa isato cia mogoroba bali bonsto bwatira na soko ene kyamangana yago ikere na baraburi gonko bakira ngambia mono nayo mwancho murigari yogenderete guturigere ngu wakira ngambia mono asogochora koba 90 wika omwerio asensemo ya Facebook bali bagenderete tobwatia gati yabo Ritunda Green korwase Chinsemo cha Karen Nairobi, Rose Ratemo Esther Ongeri korwase kaunti ya Nyamira, Charles Okari korwase ensemo ya Tenteme kaunti ya Nyamira, mbia mona na bali bonse bagenderete gutobwatia wetera se Chinsemo au igendera gutobwatia wetera Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na somotanda Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendera gusanga na boigo kwimanya amange abiri nyanchama nero kia chibichane riogi chiago ikeire asenchira ya bene na ncheri etariane Everlyne Osero ekerondete kumanya buna sege kagetarie getambe korwa bono ni gomurobero wemisa Jumapili ogochera sore asenchira ya bene bunora retwenere Joseph Mokogoti ekerondo chibuna nagenderete kuyarigane kegima amo nabageni baye erio babe bagotosesenia na matera mansuye Katolika na boigo chisara egatia yande amange wono mwancho muri retobosa guska na eseseni wa imeyo murobero wemisa Jumapili tuaru borigere borobia na boigo emagoroba irentoereru.